Supreme Court was constantly among the headlines in 2021, sometimes too much for the liking of the latest Chief Justice. However, there's no denying the extent of impact that the top court has had on policy making, defense of fundamental rights, and tightly wound corporate battle. Here's a recap of the top 5 rulings and orders from the Apex Court. First up, the vaccination drive. Now, the milestone of 100 crore doses that India recently celebrated could well go back to this single order of the top court coming in on May 31st. Now, prior to May 31st, Centre had put the onus on the states to procure half the vaccines. The half that was procured by the states was bought at prices higher than those offered to the Centre. The Centre's drive focused primarily on those above 45 years of age, and it also required mandatory COVID registration. Now, in its May 31st order, the Supreme Court slammed the government policy as being arbitrary, asking for the government to wake up and smell the coffee and to review this existing policy. Now, the Supreme Court questioned why states were being asked to procure at higher prices. The Supreme Court asked the Centre to consider buying from the vaccine manufacturers as a single monopolistic buyer. The Supreme Court also cited digital divide and questioned mandatory COVID registration. And as if on cue, exactly 1 week later on June 7th, the Prime Minister announced the new vaccination policy. Now, the second major case before the top court was that of Pegasus. Now, findings by an international consortium of journalists discovered the use of an Israeli spyware Pegasus to target various Indians. Now, the report claimed that government ministers, opposition leaders, senior bureaucrats, journalists, activists, and even Supreme Court judges had been snooped upon. Now, a batch of petitions led by the one filed by senior journalist N. Ram moved the top court to seek a probe. Now, just as in the parliament, the government refused to either confirm or deny the procurement or use of Pegasus spyware. Instead, the Centre asked for a government-appointed panel to probe these allegations against the government. Now, the Supreme Court rejected this proposal by the Centre, noting that the Centre itself is facing these allegations. The Supreme Court frowned on the repeated use of national security bogey to silence questions coming in from the judiciary. The Supreme Court also held that it will not cower away from defense of fundamental rights and proceeded to appoint a judicial committee to find out if the government indeed had been illegally snooping on its own citizens. Now, the Supreme Court's presence was needed perhaps the most during the farm laws protests. It was an unprecedented situation where the national capital was surrounded on its borders by lakhs and lakhs of farmers. Now, after the government failed to make headway with the farmers, the Supreme Court intervened and restored some sense of calm. The Supreme Court stayed the operation of the 3 farm laws in question. The Supreme Court called the stay an extraordinary one, terming it as an achievement of the protests. However, the court also warned that the stay was not an indefinite one and that farmers must come to the table to talk. Now, the fourth case on our list is a corporate battle, the one for the ages, the Tata versus Mistry dispute. It all began in October 2016 when Tata Sons removed Cyrus Mistry as the chairman of Tata Sons. And as the heir apparent of Shapoorji Pallonji Group and also as the sizable shareholder in Tata Sons, Cyrus Mistry launched a scathing attack on Tata Sons and Ratan Tata himself. In fact, in December 2019, the NCLAT had reinstated Cyrus Mistry as the chairperson. Now, challenges were issued and found their way to the top court. And in March of 2021, the Supreme Court settled this ugly spat between the two corporate titans by ruling in favor of Tata Sons. The Supreme Court set aside the NCLAT order that reinstated Cyrus Mistry. The Supreme Court also held that there has been no oppression or mismanagement. Ratan Tata called it a vindication of Tata Sons' values and ethics. Number 5 on our list is the infamous AGR case. Facing a combined demand of over 1 lakh crore rupees, Bharti and Vaya had moved the top court to recompute the demand raised against them. They alleged double counting of income and various arithmetic errors. The Supreme Court, however, was not impressed and upheld its earlier order, reinforcing the demand. This order came despite the industry pleading for its very survival. The Supreme Court, however, would not have any of it. This in turn prompted a relief package from the DoT, and that's not all. We hear that there is another round of reliefs, a relief 2.0 for the telcos on its way. So those are our top 5 decisions of 2021. Let us know what you think.